continue talking about the nature of God. And again, presuming that if this world was created, and if there is something that is present in entirety of creation, the same qualities will be present in the Creator. And we can see in this world another pair of dual characteristics: internal nature and external form. In man, it is mind and body. And our mind manifests itself mainly through presence of intellect, emotions, and will. Same will be present in animals. And today scientists have discovered that even trees are communicating between each other and trying to support each other, which also states that there is presence of some sort of mind, which also manifests itself as a intellect at some level, emotions and will. If we will talk about mineral world, I would not be so bold as to talk about intellect and emotions, but there is also some internal power that guide particles to connect in a certain way and to behave in a certain way. Some scientists even say that particles under observation behave in a different way than those that not observed. So, and if all throughout the world there is some internal nature and external form, similar will be present in God. So God also should have mind, which will be manifested in intellect, emotions and will, and body, which probably will manifest itself in a regional universal energy. Think about it.